Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to solve porch flooding. If you have a back patio or a lanai that takes in water, you may find this video useful. So as you can see here, there's already an existing drainage system. There's a gutter downspout drain that was tied into a catch basin that goes into a main line. That main line has failed. It's collapsed in multiple points, and the catch basin was set too high and not in the lowest point here. The lowest point here is actually right at the corner where the gutter downspout drops. But we're not going to be installing a catch basin. Instead, we're going to get rid of this and we're going to install an open French drain around the corner of this porch. An open French drain is the quickest way to take in surface water because water can travel freely through the stone and into your pipe. Now we're also going to be catching that gutter downspout and we're going to put that into a solid pipe, but more on that later. So whenever you're installing a drainage pipe, you want to take that pipe out as far as you need to until the ground breaks. You have to drain this system at a lower point than where you're picking up the water. If you do not do this, the system will not function properly and it will not drain well. It will back up and it will lead to clogs because sediment and debris that gets in there from the downspout will clog it eventually. So as you can see here, we're going to Y the two together. Our downspout is going to be on a solid pipe. Our French drain is going to be separate from that downspout. And the reason for this is because we do not want any contaminants to get into our French drain from the roof or the gutter, like leaves, sticks, seeds, things like that. Now, as you can see, we have our geotextile filter fabric that we line our trench with, and then we put our pipe at the bottom of the trench. Then we're going to fill this with stone and encapsulate that stone with our geotextile filter fabric. This way, you do not have soil migrating with the stone over time, clogging the perforations in your pipe and rendering your French drain useless. You want to make sure that you use a good fabric. Now right here, we're just going to gap our two French drain pipes where our solid gutter downspout pipe goes. This is not a big deal. Water seeks its own level. Water will travel through these perforated pipes and through our stone around that solid downspout pipe, and it will still find its way and make its way into our discharge end. Another important thing to remember is if you're connecting a French drain into your main line via a lateral, make sure you have some distance between your other drains and that French drain connection. You want to make sure you're going downstream and that pipe has enough fall because you do not want the other drains to get backed up or overwhelmed and ultimately enter into the French drain and do the reverse of what you're trying to do. But as you can see, we pretty much have this job all completed. We got our FDM leaf filter on here. This is going to catch any large debris coming down the downspout, like leaves and sticks, because we want to keep that out of our main line. It makes maintenance so much easier, especially for the homeowner. All they have to do is just come out, open the trap door on our leaf filter, and pull out any leaves and sticks that have gathered in there, and then close the trap door back up. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It helps the channel out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer all of them. And if you live in the Tampa Bay area and you need a French drain or a yard drain installed, give us a call at 813-614-3456. We would love to come out there and assess your property and help design a system that fits your needs. Until next time, this is SWDS signing off.